viongozi wa Nandi kusema PLO Profesa karibu hapa nyumbani. Pili ni kumpongeza rafiki yangu Mheshimiwa Kogo. This is the third edition of the Education Day in Chesumei. Being a governor for the entire county, I have not attended any of the others. Not because I have not been able to have, not because I have not been available, but because they have not happened. So I think it is time for them to come and benchmark with Chesumei, ili tukue na Education Day in all the 6 sub-counties in our county, so that we are able to challenge our students, our children, and encourage all the stakeholders to play and encourage ourselves that we must be able to ensure that education takes root in Nandi County. So pongezi wana Chesumei, this is wonderful job, and we will partner with you. As Waziri wa Education amesema katika county, in the next edition, let us have ECD participating, and we as a county government will be able to support and encourage ourselves so that we do this every year and ensure that the foundation that feeds into primary, into secondary, which is ECD, is part and parcel of this. Thirdly, I want to say as county government, our role within the education sector is fairly limited. Limited to the extent of ECD, and we are doing a lot of work within the ECD sector. Limited to the extent that we are also sponsoring and supporting quite a number of children in education, in primary, in secondary, and in the university and tertiary institutions. We give bursaries, and we are excited that for the 3rd year running, we've been giving out 60 million worth of bursaries across the county to all our children. So we want to say that going forward, we hope that the national government can increase the allocation of resources coming to counties so that we can ensure that more children can be able to benefit from the bursaries. The second thing is that we want to ensure that our children across our schools have good health care facilities in our county. That is why as a county government, and I'm sure all these children and all these schools are able to get health care facilities and services within the healthcare sector within our county. We will continue to ensure that especially the health centers across and closer to our schools are up and running with medical supplies so that our children can be able to access medical services within closer proximity to our schools. The third one, we want to also ensure that we work with our parents in terms of improving agriculture, because that is our mainstay, so that our parents have money in their pockets to pay school fees for our children. And that is why we are now working on a program that improves agriculture from dairy all the way to coffee to tea, to ensure that our parents have money in their pockets, to ensure that these children and students in our schools, we are able to keep them in our schools. Finally, there is something that I saw today, and I think this is a very important point to note, that we have some day schools that are doing far much better than our boarding schools. Some day schools here are performing exceptionally well, far much better than secondary school, in boarding secondary schools. What does it say? We need to encourage our children and encourage our parents that our day schools are as good as the other schools, so that we encourage them. No child should stay away from school on account of school fees or inability of their parents to pay for the boarding schools. Some of the day schools given to us here, Namgoi Primary, Kosirai High School, we have seen them doing exceptionally well. We want to encourage every child in Nandi County, in whichever school you find yourself, let us do well and focus in our studies. You will make it irrespective of the school that you find yourself in. So we want to encourage, let us not demonize and give a bad name to our day schools. They are producing students to the universities just like the other boarding schools are doing in our county. And therefore, all our learning institutions should be available to our children across the county. Finally, Professor, I have a lot of respect for Professor. One, because he was my lecturer at the University of Nairobi. So Professor Lumumba is my lecturer, public law, public international law at the University of Nairobi. Interesting enough, Professor, you may not have noticed, we had about 60 registered students in your class who did your exam. But we had a lot in your classes. We were over 300. Quite a number of us were coming to just be part and parcel to benefit from your wisdom and your English. And therefore I want to say that he was my lecturer, though I did not take his exact unit, because by the time we were choosing units, he was not the lecturer then. So we were not motivated to join that particular class. But when the professor came in as the lecturer in charge of that particular unit, the class became huge because quite a number of us wanted to hear you. Today we are privileged in Nandi County that we have had the opportunity to have you here. Later in life, you are my director at the Kenya School of Law. I sat for exams at the Kenya School of Law when you were my director there. I want to say that this is one of the accomplished academicians and leader in our country today. And I want to congratulate Dr. Kogo for finding time and consistently looking for professor so that he comes and shares his wisdom. I want to thank Kapsabet Boys, which is my school, Chepterit Girls, all the other schools in the extra county category and in the sub-county category, in the county category, for the wonderful results that we have posted. We want to tell you we are proud. We are proud about the work that you are doing in our schools. We will continue to support you as a county government so that we improve the education sector in our county and in our region and in our sub-county and entirely in the Republic of Kenya. Let us work together and ensure that education gets priority. I will now therefore, because I know all of us want to hear Professor, I want to introduce the chief guest today. And Professor's CV must be over 100 pages. If you are told to summarize, you might not manage to summarize. But just in case, if I have 1 minute to summarize, Professor P.L.O. Lumumba is an associate professor of public law and a holder of PhD in law from Law of the Sea from the University of Ghent in Belgium, Masters of Law degree and Bachelors of Law degree from the University of Nairobi. Professor P.L.O. holds a honorary degree of letters from the University of Cape Coast in Ghana. He is also a holder of degree of Doctor of Science, honoris degree from Bells University of Technology in Nigeria. He has been trained as human rights at the Human Rights Institute of Advanced Legal Studies, University of London in UK. Humanitarian law at the Raoul on international humanitarian law in Geneva, Switzerland. He is an advocate of the High Court of Kenya and Tanganyika. So sio Kenya tu, hata Tanganyika huko. He is a fellow of the Institute of Certified Public Secretaries of Kenya, FCPSK, and a fellow of the Kenya Institute of Management, and a honorary fellow of the African Academy of Sciences. He is the chairman of Farafina Investment Group in Monrovia, Liberia, and Economic Strategic Growth and Development Initiative of Africa based in Nigeria. He is your mutu local Africa. He is the immediate former director and chief executive officer of Kenya School of Law and a former secretary of the Constitution of Kenya Review Commission and a former director of the defunct Kenya Anti-Corruption Commission, now Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. He is the founding trustee of the African Institute of Leaders and Leadership and the founding chairman of the Association of Citizens Against Corruption. He is also the founding dean, Kabarak University School of Law, and a former lecturer at the University of Nairobi and the United States International University, USIU, Africa. And it is still the same professor we are talking about. He is a renowned legal practitioner. He has written several books, including Criminal Procedure in Kenya, An Outline of Judicial review in Kenya, Kenyan long search for a constitution. Mingi, wacha niruke ingine hii mingi Kiswahili. Na ni mtu mmoja, profesa huyo tu. In January 2018, he received the following awards. African Luminary Award by African Cultural Association in the United States of America, Freedom of the City of Lowell in Commonwealth of Massachusetts in United States of America for the role he played in the fight against corruption and bad governance in Africa. Recognition by the House of Representatives of the Commonwealth of Massachusetts in United States of America for exemplary work in the fight against corruption and governance. Currently, Professor Lumumba practices law with Lumumba and Lumumba Associates and coordinates activities under the aegis of PLO Lumumba Foundation. Hiyo ni 1/4 of CV yake. Nimewacha vitu mingi hapa kwa sababu ni mingi, itamaliza muda. So ulisikia Professor Mr. Mayo, the NAT Executive Secretary, asking Lumumba to tone down the English kidogo. But Professor, you know we want the real you. So don't cut down on the English. Lest people imagine that we don't have the real PLO here. So tunataka wewe uangushe hiyo kizungu yako kidogo hapa so that you are able to inspire us. May I now take this pleasure to invite Professor PLO Lumumba. Piga makofi moja.